Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making Churro Crinkle cake. I had some phyllo dough in the freezer and thought, why not make dessert for tonight? The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Join our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. And remember, our cookbook is available on Amazon and as an ebook. Do us a huge favor, click that like button. It's the best way to keep our channel growing so we can bring you these weekly recipes. And hit that notification bell, and of course subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I am super eager to eat dessert for this evening. Let's make the Churro Crinkle cake. And this does not have to be so pretty. All you do is crinkle the phyllo dough as best you can. Now this is the last crinkle phyllo dough sheet to go in, and it's packed really, really tight, and hence the name crinkle cake.
And you use the entire...
I did. I used the entire package, 16 ounce, one pound, 454 grams. So this is going to bake for about 10 minutes until the phyllo dough gets a little crispy. In the meantime, we're going to prepare the custard. So this condensed milk was my father's favorite. I remember growing up, he used to take this and literally put it on toast and just eat it with a cup of tea. Love condensed milk. This custard mixture you could actually pre-make and put in a little Tupperware before you guys go camping. Just of course keep refrigerated, and you could use it at the campsite. One less thing to do. Okay, so now after the phyllo dough is lightly crispy, it took about 15-18 minutes. We pour the custard on top of the dough and let it bake. We'll check back in about 30 minutes.